In the world of design and drafting, precision is key. And in the realm of AutoCAD, there's a tool that stands as a beacon of accuracy, the scale command. Enter SC for the scale command, select the object you want to scale. Then you need to specify the base point. Either put a coordinate or just click anywhere in the drawing. Now give a value for the scale percentage. It could be 1.5, 1.2 or 3, and object size will be increased accordingly. And we can also decrease the number to 0.9, 0.5, 0.1 to decrease the size respectively. And we can also just drag the cursor randomly and increase or decrease the object size. And when you go forward with the scale command, you have two sub-entities with copy and reference feature can see in the command bar. With selecting copy, your scaled object will be copied to new one and original will remain unchanged. And with reference feature, you can give a particular dimension to the object. But it offers more than just basic resizing capabilities. With the scale command, you can maintain precise proportions, ensuring your designs remain true to their original intent. Whether scaling uniformly or along specific axes, AutoCAD gives you the tools you need to achieve perfection. And with its intuitive interface and user-friendly controls, mastering the scale command is easier than ever. Whether a seasoned professional or just starting out, AutoCAD empowers you to bring your ideas to life with unparalleled precision.